Complete the mission, understanding its meaning and use. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, complete the mission. Whether you're a fan of movies, video games, or just love the English language, this phrase is both common and powerful. Stick around as we break down its meaning, use, and much more. At its core, complete the mission refers to finishing a task or achieving a goal that has been assigned. The word complete implies bringing something to a finish or conclusion, while mission suggests a specific task or duty, often of importance. Together, they emphasize successfully accomplishing a designated or important task. Interestingly, the term mission comes from the Latin word missio, which means sending or dispatching. It traditionally referred to a task assigned by a higher authority, often with a sense of purpose or duty. Over time, its usage expanded beyond religious or military contexts to include any important assignment or goal. Complete the mission can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. Here are some examples. In everyday life, I need to complete the mission of cleaning my house this weekend. In the workplace, our team needs to complete the mission of launching the new product by the end of the quarter. In entertainment or gaming, your objective is to complete the mission and save the kingdom. There are several variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning, such as accomplish the goal, finish the task, and fulfill the assignment. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the specific nuances you wish to convey. Complete the mission is a versatile and motivating phrase that reminds us of the importance of fulfilling our duties and achieving our goals. Whether you're embarking on a personal challenge or a collective project, remembering to complete your mission can drive you towards success. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to complete your mission of learning something new every day.